Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is based on my personal experience using the service. Today, we're taking a look at PNC Bank, accessible online at pnc.com. PNC Bank is a large regional bank offering a wide range of financial services, from basic checking and savings accounts to more complex investment options. Navigating their website, you'll find a comprehensive layout covering personal banking, business banking, wealth management, and investing. The homepage provides quick access to key features like online banking login, branch and ATM locators, and current interest rates. They also prominently feature their various product offerings, highlighting options for mortgages, auto loans, and credit cards. Deeper exploration reveals resources for financial education and planning. PNC provides articles, calculators, and other tools to help customers make informed decisions about their finances. They emphasize digital convenience, showcasing their mobile app for banking on the go. The app allows users to check balances, transfer funds, pay bills, and even deposit checks remotely. Security is also a focus, with information available about their fraud prevention measures and online security practices. PNC also emphasizes its commitment to the community through various initiatives and programs, details of which can be found on the website. Overall, PNC.com presents a wealth of information for both current and prospective customers, aiming to provide a comprehensive banking experience. They seem to cater to a diverse clientele, from individuals and families to small businesses and large corporations. Their website's design is relatively user-friendly, though navigating the sheer volume of information might require some exploration. Be sure to check out the site yourself and explore the different features and services they offer to see if PNC Bank is the right fit for your financial needs.